Hello, I'm Lara Croft in Vicki Steiner's Info 244, Section 11, Fall 2020 at San Jose State University, giving a key concept presentation about operator precedence. When searching databases using Boolean operators, your search efficiency will improve if you learn the database's operator precedence. Operator precedence determines the order in which your search terms will be read by the database. You can find this information in the Help section of whatever database you are using. For example, in ProQuest Dialog, the operator precedence is pre, near, and, or, not. In Web of Science Core Collection, the operator precedence is near, same, not, and, or. To look at how this will affect your searches, let's say you want to do a specific search about discrimination in awarding bank loans, but you want to exclude results for housing discrimination, which is more common and would dominate your results. If you put the search terms discrimination and lending or banks, not mortgage or redlining, into ProQuest Dialog without parentheses, the terms discrimination and lending or banks will be searched first, then mortgage or redlining. When I inputted this search string into ProQuest Dialog, I got 42,686,056 results. So, just a few. Okay, now let's look at Web of Science. If you put those same terms into Web of Science without parentheses, the terms banks, not mortgage, will be searched first, then discrimination and lending together, then the term redlining. I added a topic field code in this search string because Web of Science requires them. Okay. So this brings back a lot fewer results than ProQuest, but that's to be expected since Web of Science is an individual database and Dialog is a set of aggregated databases. We get 162,150 results from this search in Web of Science. So knowing that those search strings are going to be read in that particular order by default because of operator precedence, let's add parentheses to reorder them and see what happens. They're all the same terms, but they're being searched in a different order because of the parentheses. Those search results for ProQuest Dialog are now just 472,817. Changing the order eliminated over 42 million results. Now let's look at Web of Science. With this search string, adding the parentheses, you just get 1,441 results. So in that one, you eliminated over 160,000 erroneous results. Not quite as exciting as the Dialog numbers, but it's a significant change. You'd still want to limit your results in both of these searches by date, or maybe use a title field code to make the results the most useful for you. But knowing the operator precedence will make a big difference in what results you get in search strings with multiple terms. So don't forget to find those out before you search. I hope this has been helpful for you, and thank you for viewing my presentation.